Digital asset is anything that exists in binary format and comes with the right to use. Digital assets include digital documents, audible content, motion picture and other relevant digital data. However, due to lack of either legislation or legal precedent, there is limited control over digital assets. Delivering a lecture on digital asset management in Abuja, a digital asset professional, Ehime Demudia, highlighted several benefits embedded in the digital asset space.
Don't have a BVN number, throw it away. You don't need it. You need it. Because if you don't have a BVN number, you cannot do transactions in your bank. You can't do a business. Now, they're trying to introduce that same mentality into digital assets. Why? So that they can have security. So that the wealthy people in the society can bring in their money into the crypto space. The forex market does $5.3 trillion on a daily basis. And currently, the total market capitalization of digital assets is over $200 billion.
Speaking in an interview after the training session, Ehime charged youths on skill acquisition.
We are organizing this training to give people knowledge of how they can make money online, profitably, reliably, and consistently from digital assets. In this training, I've been able to explain to them what digital assets are. I've been able to explain to them how they can see the right digital assets they can buy, how they can buy and sell, and whatever they can actually do. The Nigerian youth here who take this knowledge that has been passed across to them and are disciplined at it, they will be employed. They won't just be employed, they will take care of their responsibility and they will also employ other Nigerians.
He further said the training was organized to empower youth for self-reliance. Osawana May Bizugbe, ITV News, Abuja.